thickening products are the secret behind big, bold, and beautiful hair. The perfect match for your hair largely depends on your mane. Hairspray will help you trade limp or thin hair for luscious, thick, and at the same time, lifeless for vivacious. The translucent hairspray allows you to fake it till you make it. Now, with so many options available on the market, you have to find the right one which suits your hair type. Now, keeping that in mind, in today's video, we have come up with the 5 best hair thickening sprays, which add a little extra body and volume to your fine, thin hair. So let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
To achieve fine to medium volume hair, it's important to choose the right product with right performance. This is why Bumble Thickening Dryspun Texture Spray is our recommended product for your fine, thin hair. This hairspray is packed with excellent ingredients which ensure flexible finishing for your hair. It also gives airy, effortless texture with fullness. The translucent hairspray delivers you fine to medium brushable hair. This product is free from parabens, phthalates, mineral oils, and formaldehyde. Additionally, it is a cruelty-free product which is suitable for all types of hair. This hairspray has earned the trust of many users on Amazon as it adds texture and hold without weighing your hair down. But then again, some users did not have a great experience with this thickening spray. So let's take a look at the ratings. In case of user acceptance and value, we'll easily give it 5 stars. But it does fall a little bit on the pricier side, so it will get 4 stars on that. If you want to have keratin treatments and medium hold for your flat hair, the Oribe Maximista Thickening Spray is the right choice for you that you can try out. This miracle worker hairspray is infused with the goodness of keratin amino acid, which conditions and strengthens your hair. Thickening copolymers in the hairspray delivers you instant amplified volume with long-lasting hold. This product gives UV protection while protecting hair from the harmful effects of the sun with the help of multi-layered UV protection system. The Oribe Signature Complex contains watermelon, lychee, and LD West flower extracts that defend your hair from drying, damaging, and also protect from color-depleting effects of the elements. Users highly appreciate this spray as it leaves hair feeling soft and touchable, but as it goes, some of the users think that the product is not worthy enough. So moving on to the ratings, we'll gladly give it 5 stars when it comes to user acceptance and value. But the product is quite pricey, so it'll get 4 stars on that. Provide your hair with long-lasting moisture and volume at the roots with the R+Co Dallas Thickening Spray, which is suitable for flat and thin hair types. This thickening hairspray is infused with the extract of aloe leaf and ginger root that seals moisture and also conditions your hair. Provitamin B5 in the hairspray adds volume and thickens your hair. The hairspray is also formulated with the goodness of amino acid complex, which delivers thermal protection and mimics natural protein structure of hair. The spray comes with a vegan formula and it is free from cruelty, gluten, paraben, and many more. The R+Co Dallas Thickening Spray is admired by users as it thickens flat baby fine hair. But besides all the positive reviews, a few users complain that the product didn't really work for them. So now it's time to rate this thickening spray. The exclusive formula of this product amazed us, and it is quite affordable as well. So we'll give it 5 out of 5 stars from all 3 aspects. The Aveda Thickening Tonic thickens hair and expands strands from roots to ends, while protecting your hair from environmental damage. The product is powered by botanicals and also certified amla fruit extract that gives 96% naturally derived hair care. Wheat in this product helps to boost thickening. The tonic also contains corn, which works to best hold your fuller style. This product is free from parabens, mineral oil, and also petrolatum. It is made with cruelty-free formula and natural ingredients, so it does not contain any synthetic fragrance. The tonic is also suitable for all types of hair, and it provides protection against harmful UV rays as well. The Aveda Thickening Tonic gains popularity for making hair lustrous, and it also gives complement to applied hair. But some of the users express that the hairspray is not that satisfying. Let's check out the ratings. We were overwhelmed by the quality and effectiveness of this product. That too in such an affordable price. So in total, it'll get 5 out of 5 stars. The Boldify Hair Thickening Spray is our top pick for today's video. It adds volume to curly hair as well as shorter dews. This hairspray has a high-performance formula that delivers a light hold with a layered texture. Its one application gives you thick, full, and voluminous hair in seconds. The product is made with feather-light formula to make sure your hair does not feel sticky. This lightweight hairspray is gentle enough for color-treated and thinning hair. This voluminizing spray makes hairstyling easier. Its unique formula won't weigh down your locks like other products do. It is also packed with minerals and nutrients that hold moisture and it removes excess oil, providing you with UV protection at the same time. The Boldify Hair Thickening Spray is highly recommended on Amazon. Users love how it gives brushable volume without the stick or the crunch. And also, the scent is quite fresh. But some of the users were disappointed with their purchase. So now it's time to rate this hair thickening spray. We absolutely loved the formula and affordability of it, so overall we'll give this product 5 out of 5 stars. And those were our top 5 best hair thickening sprays. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.